Meaning of illegitimate.
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 Illegitimate. The word illegitimate refers to something that is not legal or recognized by law, or lacking in authenticity or validity. It can be used to describe a child born out of wedlock, an unlawful action or behavior, or a product that is counterfeit. Using the term illegitimate implies that something or someone is not legitimate, lawful, or sanctioned by the authorities or society at large. In essence, it conveys a sense of illegality, impropriety, or disapproval, and may have negative consequences such as social stigma, legal penalties, or loss of credibility.